welcome to Simpson Leathercraft. My name is John. We've got some tutorials we're going to get out there for you to go with some patterns that we have released, and we got a lot of patterns ready to be released. Got to get the test builds done, get everything kind of tweaked out and perfected, and get tutorials for them ready to go. I appreciate those of you guys who stopped by. You found me by either already having purchased patterns or from one of the social media outlets. I'm not a social media guy, kind of a new to this. I'm not that new generation, so we're learning the social media as we go, reaching out, seeing who we can help out. Maybe we can learn a little something together, further our craft, tweak out, maybe get a new little techniques down that we haven't been using or haven't seen previously. I've only been doing leather for a few years. I've made pretty good progress. I will not ever claim to be an expert, but I will be more than happy to share with what I find that works, what doesn't work. Always open to ideas and recommendations, but we're going to see what we can get out there for you. We got a bunch more to come. Going to probably do some product reviews of patterns, other patterns out there by the guys that I learned from by doing the patterns. Those that I like, those that I think I'd have done a little bit differently, the pros and cons, and see if maybe how you guys feel, see if you agree. Maybe I'm overlooking something, missing something, but we're going to get some ideas going. Like, subscribe, throw those comments in there. Always looking to see what kind of feedback we get, and or some recommendations of something you guys would like to see, something you'd like somebody to create. More than happy to take a look at that for you. So reach out, let me know what you think, and we're going to be getting these tutorials released to you as quickly as possible, seeing how many we can knock out here. So keep your eyes open, like, subscribe, get posted as soon as you know we're getting another one out there. So look forward to hearing from you guys. Thanks for stopping by.